Hello, Baltimore. We have a mini kitchen that we're gonna open today. But how y'all doing? Good afternoon, good evening, peace and blessings. Hotel. What else we say? Assalamu alaikum. Grand rising. So, guess I should say what this is. I'm just showing the box. Sorry. All right, so this is the Miniverse kitchen, which I didn't know was real. I would see it on their page, but I didn't know it was a real kitchen. I thought it was like cardboard or something. I got this from Ross, I think. Nope, Burlington. I got it from Burlington Coat Factory. It was $30. And it looks like it comes with a complete kitchen and some recipes. So let's see what's all in here. I'm gonna present. Okay, is it real? Yeah, because it don't look real. Okay, so I'm gonna undo these. I'm gonna untie these and I'll be right back. All right, I think I have detached it from the box. I always do stuff. We got batteries. All right. Let's thread it through. How many of y'all got this already? Why y'all ain't told me nothing? Nothing. Oh my goodness. Man, I thought this was fake, like cardboard. This is a real kitchen, y'all. I think this open. Nothing open. But it's plastic. Oh yeah. That opens. Okay. Let's see. Okay. That opens. And the little oven does. These drawers feel like they should open. Like they're loose. Okay. So the drawers open. And this is. Oh, okay. So there's like two shells. And we did get one drawer open. Yep. Drawer opens. Let's see what these cabinets do. Do they open? Wait. Ooh. UV light. They're not easy to open. Come on. Oh, wait. It's taped. Hold on. That's why these aren't opening. Get the tape off. And bam. Okay. That opens. And there's something in here. We got take the tape off of this one. Okay. All right, it feels. The shelves move. Okay, this shelf is removable. Okay, it's nothing. Put the shelf back in there if you can see it. Okay. Okay, cute. Sturdy. Let's see if it's compatible to the doll's height. It's a rainbow high doll. It's a little low, but that's probably why I had like that little floor on it. So I probably have to lift it maybe 2 inches for the doll to reach it or to use it with play. Alright, so let's see what's in the cabinet. And we have cereal. Hey, you see it? Okay. Alright, so y'all can see. Look at the sink. It just moved. No. Look, y'all, like the sink is a real sink. It got a drainer and everything. Okay, then it has a shelf back here. Not sure what it's for. Okay, so out the pack we got cereal. Well, what I do with it? Oh, the milk. Okay, did it fall that quick? Yo, where did the milk go? Okay, I'm gonna look for it, but I think we're supposed to make some cereal out of it. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, y'all, I looked for the milk. Did it have a milk in it? But that was it. Maybe that was it. I was thinking I have a milk. My memory's so bad, huh? Probably looking for something that went in there. All right, this got some oven mix. See it? Okay. Which I'll worry about opening later. Let's see. We got some more recipes. What's this? Open this. Take this out. I might try to keep this floor intact. And I may can use it to give it the height it needs. Why is this so sticky? Is this supposed to be? Oh, okay. Yeah, I might could use that floor. So I'm gonna keep that right there. And okay. Ooh, the bag's so sticky. Ooh. What we got here? You can make a soda out of a mason jar. Cute. Cola berry mix. Honey. Some kind of glaze. It just says glaze. Donuts. And a bottle. some donuts in a box. Strawberries and ice. So looks like we have 3 recipes in all and no milk. I'm gonna look for the milk. I'm not sure. It has to have milk. Why would it have cereal? Maybe not. Because this go with this. So it may not have it. Okay. So I think we do the donuts on the tray. And all right, I'm gonna get the directions. Let's see what we have. Lord, the cereal go on the donuts. That's why there's no milk. Okay, so the bowl is just, okay, just to have. All right, and then this is for the drink. All right, and then okay. And what else we got? What's this? Okay. Okay, you could customize your kitchen. I could take the stuff out, it looks like. What else? All right, and then I could use, okay, this. Set the resin. Okay, good. So I don't have to go outside. Why? So the batteries go in here. 3 AA batteries, and this is a AAA battery. All right, I'm gonna grab some batteries and I'll be right back. Okay, so we'll do the flashlight first. Lefty loosey. Oh no, because it's in another language. So, okay, there you go, Left. And 1 AA. Is it a AA? Okay. Let's see. Whoop. Alright, I'll screw that back on. Left it loosey, tight it right. Okay. Oh wait. Let me go to the right, my bad. Okay. This now. I'm gonna remove the items. And on the back, it takes batteries. So let's see. Oh, it's like it need a bigger screwdriver. Wait a minute. Yeah, just to get it. Right. Are you not going? Oh, all right. Gotta do move. Okay. This needs 3. I got 2 right here. Hold on. I'll just get 3 Energizers. Alright. Screw it in to the right and make it tight. Okay. Now, is it on? Let's see. What did it do? Oh. I don't see it doing nothing. Oh. I don't know what it's supposed to. Oh, maybe when it's closed. Something. I know the batteries ain't dead. Alright, we'll have to figure that out. But this works. So we are going to glaze and decorate our donuts. Okay. Oh, let me get my gloves. Hold on.